pretty much finished this gate I've been working on now for a while with roses and clematis and leaves. The last thing that I've just been doing is this dragonfly. Never made one before, so learning curve, and also learning or coming up with a way to attach it to the gate, attach the wings and all that sort of stuff. But it's come out nicely, I'm pleased with it. And then on the other side you can see cast bronze newt, which I didn't make, but this is solid cast bronze, but it I came up with a way to feature it in the gate on the latch. Come back around the other side, you can see the tail. One of the roses, clematis, and then roses up here face different directions. It's all very 3D.